Hello, my dear little mathematicians. Are you ready for a magical vacation? Today, we are going to visit our lovely Nani Maa and learn some amazing maths tricks with her. But wait, this is not an ordinary lesson. It is full of secrets, surprises, games, and magic. Can you become a maths detective today? Say loudly, yes, I can. Let's begin our magical adventure. Oh, wow! Look at Nani Maa. She has a magical handkerchief. She hides some seeds under it. Can we guess how many seeds are hidden? Let's see. There are some seeds in total. For example, if 15 seeds are in total and you can see 12 seeds, how many seeds are hidden? So, think carefully and answer. The visible seeds and the hidden seeds will give you the total number of seeds. Yes, you are becoming a maths magician already. Excellent. So once I have discussed the rest of the two questions, you will do it by yourself. Now, welcome to the X-ray machine. This machine helps us see hidden numbers. Look carefully. Some objects are visible and some are hidden. Together they make 9. Can you guess the hidden number? Visible objects are 4. Total objects are 9. Then what are the hidden numbers? 9 minus 4 is? Very good. 5. Fantastic work. So you have super X-ray vision. Let's play again. This time you are the detective. Count the visible objects. Now think, how many more are needed to make the total? Take your time. You can even pause the video if you want. And then think of the answer. Ready? Let's check the answer together. So here 7 balushahi plus 5 balushahi. You are going to count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So you are going to write here 12. And then if you are going to subtract, then 5 you have to subtract from 7. This is the box of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many are left? These 2. Okay? Wonderful. So give yourself a big clap that you came out with a correct answer. Maths becomes easy when we observe carefully. So here you have to look at the picture and then count what you can see. Now think about what is missing. Can you complete the sentence? Here, the number of storybooks are represented by dots. Chirag's storybooks are represented by blue dots, and Nandini's storybooks, puzzle books, are represented by red blocks. Now here you have to add together how many books they have. Right? I hope you will be able to solve this puzzle. Very good. You are doing an amazing job. Nani Maa is very proud of you. Time is for guessing game. I will give you a clue. The total number is here. Some objects are visible, some are hidden. Can you guess the hidden number? Before I tell you, get ready. 3, 2 and 1. Now what is hidden here is that you just have to count the beads. Okay, so you have collected 15 stamps. Then Nandini said Nandini, and here are 7 more said Nani Maa. So 5 then plus 2. So you have to jump like this, and then wo ginladi may you have to count all the beads, and here you have got 22 stamps. So like this, while jumping also you can count through ginladi. So now you are becoming a maths champion if you are able to do the counting on ginladi as well. Let's do a quick challenge. No pencil, no notebook, only your brain power. Look carefully, think quickly, and answer loudly. Even you can write the answers in the chat box. Can you do it? I know you can. Amazing. You are really super smart. And how you can add is while jumping tens. Okay. So if from 7 you have to go to 27, so you can make group of 2 tens, right? 20 if you are going to add to 7, it will become 27. So you are going to make a group of 2 tens, and like this with a number of tens you can do the skip counting and jump and get the answer. Numbers can be friends. When we know one friend, we can find the other. Suppose the total is 10. Visible objects are 6. So how many are hidden? Think, count, answer. That's right, 4. So similarly, we can go to the bigger numbers as well. So if you are jumping forward, then it is addition. And if you are jumping backward, you will be doing subtraction. So if you are jumping here and there, means forward and backward, remember what you are doing, addition or subtraction. Maths is like solving mysteries. Every hidden number is waiting for us to discover it. Can you solve this mystery too? For that, you have to observe carefully. Here are the rules of the game. You have to roll 2 dice, and then in that case you will be getting a 2-digit number. Now you have to move the counter by that number. You can move forward or backward. The first one to reach 91 to 100 will win. So in this you have to have the tactic that whether you have to move forward or you have to move backward. Attention math detectives, your mission is to find hidden numbers. Use your eyes, use your brains, use your counting skills. Ready? So let's start with the mission. I hope you will be able to solve this puzzle. So if a grid of number is given and you have to move forward or backward, so if you are jumping one step up, then here you are subtracting 10, and if you are jumping one step just below, then you are adding 10. So if there is a grid of numbers like this, you can move and up and below, and then you accordingly you have to add or subtract 10. And if you are moving left or right, the number, if right it is +1, if left it is -1. So like this you can do simple calculation just using the grid. By using the grid you can do these simple problems. Okay, did you know 2 numbers can join together and make a bigger number, and these numbers are called friend numbers. Let's find the missing friend. If one friend is 7 and the total is 10, who is the other friend? Yes, it is 3. Excellent. That was a very small example. But if we have to follow the compass which we discussed in the previous slide, then if we are moving from 23 to 34, how much is to be added to 23? Now from 23, if we are coming down, then we need to add 10. If we are coming down, we need to add 10. And then if we are moving towards the right, again we have to add 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11. If we would have to go to 32, अगर हमें 32 पे जाना होता, then we would have subtracted 1 from 10. That means then the number would have been 9. ठीक है, अगर हम ऊपर से नीचे आ रहे हैं तो डायरेक्टली ये तो 10 हो गया. अब हम लेफ्ट राइट जैसे मूव करेंगे उसके अकॉर्डिंग 1 हमें ऐड करना है या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है अकॉर्डिंगली इफ वी आर यूजिंग द ग्रिड टू सॉल्व. Finally, we have reached to the magic squares. It is just like Sudoku. These magic squares will add up to the same number if we are going to do it like this, diagonally, straight, vertically, horizontally. In whichever way we are going to add these numbers, it will be giving the same sum. So this is an example of that square. Here is a magic sum on the basis of that. See, wherever we are adding, we are getting 15. Even if it is vertically, horizontally, or even diagonally, all the numbers will add up to the same number. So this is a magic sum, and you should practice more and more for the sums like this to become a great and a little mathematician as of now. Let us revise everything. What did we learn today? Counting the objects, finding the hidden numbers, number bonds, making 9, making 10, and most importantly, we learned that maths can be fun. Say with me, maths is easy. Maths is exciting. Maths is magical. So finally, today we solved mysteries, found hidden numbers, and became maths detectives. So did you enjoy this magical adventure? If yes, give yourself a big smile and tell me, which activity did you like the most? The magic handkerchief or the X-ray vision game? See you in our next exciting maths adventure. Until then, keep counting, keep smiling, and keep learning. Bye bye, little mathematicians.